As requested, here is a follow-up on the spacers that I put on my RTV. As you'll see, and I don't know if you can tell from my very first videos, but the back tires have definitely been pushed out further, and now they are perfectly in line with the outside of the fenders. And that was the look that I was looking for. Before I put them on, I don't know if yours looks this way or not, but mine looked like they were very much inboard. When the front tires looked perfectly normal, the back tires looked like they were inboard of the front tires. And like I said, it could have very easily have been a optical illusion, I guess, but it bothered me the way that it looked. So I think it looks 100% better now. I am going to put the second set on the front of the RTV because I did notice that when I drive the RTV with only the back spacers on, it doesn't seem to track down the road as well as it did before. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to go ahead and put them on. And if I like the way they look, I'm going to keep them. If not, then I'll take them back off. They were very, very easy to put on. You could probably see them back there. Maybe not. Nah, you can't see them from this angle. But they were very easy to put on. You pull the wheels off. Bolt on the spacers just like you would the wheel, and then the spacers have their own lug nuts that come out, and then you put your wheel right on top of the spacer. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's really nothing to it. And the difference is very apparent from the very beginning. From the time that you put them on, you'll definitely see a difference in the way your RTV looks. I have not had a chance to have it out in the snow yet, because we haven't had any snow up here in New York. Everybody is without snow, and we are just part of that. So I haven't had a chance to try it out in the snow yet. I never had any problem with traction to begin with. This was all an aesthetics thing and how it looked. But as you can see from this angle especially, those tires line up perfectly now with the outside of the fender well. They don't stick out, so you're not going to be throwing rooster tails of mud. But here's where the difference is right there. Before, it was centered in that fender. Now it's definitely pushed out more towards the outside, and that was the look that I'm looking for. And that's it. I don't know what else I can possibly tell you. If you had any questions, let me know and I can try to answer them for you. Like I said, it doesn't seem to track quite as well, and I think that could just be the issue with not having the front spacers on there. I already have them. I ordered 2 sets when I ordered the spacers, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put them on. And other than that, I think it's great. I noticed nothing else. No difference at all in the way it handles. No difference at all in the way it performs. I kind of think that this is the way it should have come from the factory. So any questions, reach out to me, let me know. I'm going to be heading out after the first of the year, and I'm not going to be around to do these videos, but I'll still have the wealth of information in my head, if you can believe that. And I'll try to pass that on to you if you have any other questions.